Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Thanksgiving video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Thanksgiving Pikachu Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Thanksgiving Pikachu Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we need to make the Pokeball. And I'm going to go ahead and trace something circular. If you don't have something circular, you can just go ahead and make a normal circle. But I'm just going to go ahead and trace this little paint palette. So I'm just going to make a nice sad face on top. And then we'll make a little sad face right along the bottom here. Then when I lift it up, I've got a nice little Pokeball shape. Now the first thing I want to do is let's make a sad face right in here. And then let's make a happy face right here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a straight line across. Then I'm going to jump over and come down. And then I'm going to bring this line right over here. Next, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come straight across. Next, we'll go down and then up. And then I'll come straight across right here. Now, I want to make this kind of like a fall Pokeball. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a big turkey feather on here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to a point. And then it's going to come out and in as it comes back down. I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to come out and then back in. And same thing here. Let's come out and back in. Next, I'm going to put two little curve lines on each feather here. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes down on each one. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once I open this up, I have two halves of my Pokeball. Let's begin up here. I'll start by drawing a line that comes down on each side, and then a line that comes down here on each side. Next, I'll go ahead and draw a straight line across. Let's do the same thing here. I'm going to make two lines that come up, a line that comes up here, and a line that comes up here. Then I'll make a little line that comes straight across. Now, let's go ahead and make Pikachu in here. So first thing is I'm going to draw a kind of curved line right across the top here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out, and then we'll curve it in. And I'll do the same thing here, just bring this out, and then curve it in. Next, I'm going to bring this line out a little farther on each side. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. It's going to curve around, and it's going to come back in, kind of like an oval. Next, I'm going to come up. I'll kind of follow that same curve and bring this down here. Now for the top of the hat, let's make a line that comes up and in, which kind of goes angled in a little bit. We'll curve it across, and then let's bring it down here. Now right across here, let's make another curve. We'll make two lines down for the buckle. And then let's draw a little rectangle shape right inside of here. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to curve back down. And then I'll do the same thing here, but this one I'm going to make come out a little bit more to the side, and then curve back in. I'll draw a little curve here, and a little curve right here. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come out. I'll make a couple little points, about 4 little points on here. Then I'll bring this back down for the arm. Next, let's bring this line down here. Same thing here, let's curve this up. But then this time, I'm going to make just a little line that goes out and curves back in for like a thumb. Next, I'm going to curve this around and bring it down to here. And then I'm going to make 3 little circle shapes right on here. Then right here, we'll bring these lines down. And we'll put 2 little bumps on here for a little turkey leg. And then let's just make a little zigzag line across. Then I'm going to bring this line right back to here. Then we'll bring this line down here for the body. Now let's make the face of Pikachu. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'll leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to make a small circle right towards the top middle of each eye. And then I'll just go ahead and color in the outside of this just with a nice black. So that little circle kind of turns into a nice little reflection in his eye. This kind of looks like he's got a little shine in there. Now for the nose, I'm going to start here, and I'll make a little line across. And then a little line that goes down and up, and we'll color it in. Kind of like a little upside down triangle. Now for the mouth, we're going to go down and then up, and then down and up for his little cheeks. Then right here, we're going to go down and then back up for the mouth. We'll make a little line that curves across for the tongue. And then over here, let's make a nice circle shape for one of the cheeks, and then another circle shape over here for a cheek. Now, right here, I want to add his tail. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up at an angle and then down. I'll come up again, and then I'm just going to come straight out here at an angle. Next, I'm going to bring this line in. I'll come up at an angle. I'll go down again and then back up. Then let's bring it in right here. Now to finish this off, let's add just a couple fun little details. Right here, I want to add a little bit of pumpkin pie. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then back up like this. You can see this line's a lot longer than that one. We'll connect it so it looks like a triangle. Then I'm just going to go down, over, and up for a rectangle shape. Right here, I'm going to make a couple little bumpy lines. Next, I'm going to go down, over, and then back up for the crust. Now, over here, I want to make a leaf. So I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to go up and down. Then I'll make a nice little curve in here. Kind of looks like an arrow. Right here, I'm just going to make a few little bumps that come down here. And then a few more little bumps that come down here to connect. Then I'll make a little line that comes down, over, and up. And then let's add a few little V's on here. Now, I want to make some little turkey feathers. So right here, I'm going to make a little kind of arrow shape. And I'll just kind of curve this in. I'm going to bring this in here, and then bring this in here. And I'll put a little line out here. Then I'm just going to make a couple little lines right across the feather here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Thanksgiving Pikachu Surprise Fold. So when I have it all folded up, I've got a little Thanksgiving Pokeball. And then when I open it up, we've got Pikachu popping out of there. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.